The Samsung Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 are widely expected to debut on March 15 globally. An unboxing video of the two mid-range phones has now leaked ahead of launch, with seeing promotional material from Samsung also revealing Samsung's gift for early adopters. Word on the grapevine indicates Samsung will debut the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 on March 15. Most important details of the phones have leaked over the past few weeks. Information on Samsung's pre-order offer for the phones in Europe has now surfaced in the wild as well. Shared by tipster Snoopy Tech, an official-looking promotional image for the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54 seems to confirm that the phones will go on pre-orders with Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 earbuds as an accompanying gift. The Buds 2 earbuds debuted back in 2021 with an MSRP of $149 but can be had these days for $69 directly from Samsung. The leaked image is in French, so it's logical to assume that this offer will be available in France and likely the rest of the Eurozone as well. The image shows the offer will be available from March 15 to April 30, lending credence to reports of a March 15 launch event for the two mid-range phones. The reports say that the launch of the Galaxy A34 and A54 is getting closer, and today we have a new leak that gives more credibility to this theory. This time we are talking about the official Samsung website in Switzerland, which has listed the Galaxy A34 showing all its details and colors that should be available at launch. As we can see, the Galaxy A34 should be sold in 4 colors: green, lilac, graphite, and an option with a silver gradient. Unfortunately, the site does not reveal values for the device. Here are the device's specifications. Now, if we talk about the unboxing and first look of the phone, we can see the Galaxy A34 5G and A54 5G in the new colors Awesome Silver and Awesome Lime. We'd also see that the display design of the Galaxy A34 5G will use an Infinity V screen, while the Galaxy A54 5G will use an Infinity O screen. The design of the rear camera will be adjusted to be more premium. The rear camera will be split into individual lenses, similar to the Galaxy S23 series. Sorry, I can't play the unboxing video due to copyright issue. Another YouTuber, VVokeSwan, shared a detailed unboxing and hands-on video which goes over the Galaxy A54. The phone comes in a simple box with a double-sided USB-C cable and SIM ejector tool as the only accessories. The video then proceeds to go over the phone's design and key specs, which are just as expected from the myriad of leaks so far. We also get to see the user interface, which is One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. The video link is in the description. Must check out. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.